हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की जो स्टोरी है वो है माय लव स्टोरी। माय नेम इज़ लूसी। दिस इज़ माय लव स्टोरी। आई मेट रोहन इन क्लास 6th. He was a simple boy in my school. One day I fell in the ground. My knee was bleeding. All girls ran away. Only Rohan came to me. He gave me his handkerchief. He said, "Lucy, do not cry. You will be fine." That day, I liked him. In class 8th, I was weak in maths. Rohan was good in maths. He taught me after class every day. He never said, "You are slow." He said, "Lucy, you can do it." Slowly, my like became love, but I was shy. I never talked him. In class 10th, Rohan was school captain. I was in the dance group. On annual day, I was very nervous. Before my dance, Rohan came and said, "Lucy, just smile and dance." I smiled and my dance was good. That day I knew I love him, but I kept in my heart. After school, we went to different colleges. I thought I will forget him, but I could not. After 2 years, we got admission in the same city. Different colleges, but same bus stop. Every morning I saw him at the bus stop. He wrote simple clothes. He helped old people. He shared food with poor children. My love for him grew more. Many books like me in college. They had bikes and money, but I liked Rohan. In final year, there was a college first. I saw singing on stage. I was scared. Then I saw Rohan in the crowd. He smiled and gave me thumbs up. I got praise and sang well. After the function, Rohan came to me. He said, "Lucy, your song was like an angel." I said only, "Thank you." Then he said, "Lucy, I like you from class 6th. When you fell down, you looked cute. When you danced, you looked like a star." I was also shy. Today I got craze. Can we be more than friends? I was shocked. I said, "Rohan, I also like you from class 6th. You gave me your handkerchief." He laughed and said, "So we wasted 8 years." I said, "No, we learned patience." After that, our love story started. No costly gifts, no big dates, just talks, shared lunch, and walking to bus stop together. After college, Rohan became a teacher. I became a nurse. We got married in a small temple. Only family and few friends came. No big functions, just pure love. Now people ask me, "Lucy, how did you get such a good husband?" I say, I found him in class 6th, not in college. True love waits. आज का मोरल है, ट्रू लव इज पेशेंस. इफ इट इज रियल, it will wait from school to life. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. See you in the next video.